This is the dial A stack by Moll and Sons. It's a delivery conveyor that comes with height adjustment and also angle adjustment for the receiving section, which is this one here on the right. And maximum size of paper is 26 inches. That receiving section from here to here is 29 inches, and the delivery section from here to here is 24 inches. The machine comes with a heavy-duty power cord, and it's complete, solid built here in the United States, and it's a great tool for any machine in the delivery section, in the bindery department. It comes with speed control, on and off switch, so I'm going to turn it on now to show that the machine is running as it's supposed to do. You can see how it's transporting the paper. On the dial stack by Moll and Sons. It does have variable speed control also, faster and slower.